Chinemanut harehau. The sparrows feast as the ox's noise. Defoe says, to make a lot of noise about nothing, when one hears the noise, one thinks there is a tremendous feast, but in fact it's a very small one. Defoe's explanation is well narrated, following to literal meaning. However, I would describe it in the local context. When a man invites a large number of guests while food is too little to serve them all, if huge hue and cry is raised for a small problem in their situation, this proverb is also uttered in Hunza. Burushaski. Muie emish zane tama, ya yada tsordine imiye herimingne, kurum daldeibu, kinda behumalkum gusan boke, ye guter sanan, chinemanot, harehau. Burushaski tu. Amulu niwalja hamalane mazuri netan hazaran rupiah ducama. Mene mimar nusen yassaro ya behi nidil kurtfau. Chinemanot harehau.